안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I'm your Korean mentor. Today we will learn how to say I am sorry and excuse me in Korean. Korean for beginner. Lesson number 5. I am sorry and excuse me. After listening to this lesson, you will be able to say I am sorry, I apologize and excuse me. So first of all, we will discuss I am sorry and I apologize. If you want to say I am sorry or I apologize, you will say 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다. So let's break into two parts. The first one is 죄송 and the second one is 합니다. 합니다. 죄송 mean apology, being sorry or feeling ashamed. 합니다 mean I do or I am doing. Why this is not hap? Click on I button to watch detailed video about 합니다. So if you want to say excuse me, you will say 저기요. 저기요. In English, you can use the expression excuse me in all of the following situations. The first one is when you are passing through a crowd of people. When you are leaving the room for a second. When you want to get someone's attention and talk to them or let them knowing something. When you want to call the waiter in a restaurant or a cafe to order something. 저기요 is an expression that can be translated to excuse me, but this Korean expression 저기요 is only used for the situation number 3 and 4 above for this situation. You can also use 저기요 for these two situations as well, but there is a specific word for these two situations. For now, you can use Chogiyo for all of these situations. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question in comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. 감사합니다. Thank you.